Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add working hours in Outlook. So, as you can see, I'm using the Outlook 365 version that comes with the Office 365. And if you want to add the working hours, you want to go to the file, which is in the top left corner above the ribbon. Go to the file, and then what you want to do is go to the option, which is in the left bottom corner. Click on the options, and then in the Outlook options, the new window has come up to your screen. Go to the calendar, which is the third option right here. And here you have the section called work time, and as you can see, you can select the start time, the end time, and also the work week which you have. So you can select, different hours, or even you can write here, because as you can see, we have only like 30 minutes mark right here. So even you can, let's say, put 9:37, for example, AM. And at time, let's say that you can add at 6:25, for example, PM. So this is how you can do it. You can also mark the work week. So for example, you can work, depends how you're working. And also you can select the first day of the week and first week of the year. So this is it. This is how you can add working hours in Outlook. After all, you need to click OK to accept the changed settings. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!